and welcome to day 2 of ET Auto EV Conclave. The second day of this conclave has an interesting bunch of speakers lined up, such as Mr. Ashish Kundra, Secretary, Government of India, Shri Randhir Singh, Director, Electric Mobility, Niti Aayog, Mr. Sohinder Singh Gill, CEO, Hero Electric, Mr. Bindu Rana Singhe, DGM, Commercial and Marketing, Hambantota International Port Group, Sri Lanka, and so much more. What is the future for India in the electric mobility industry? Where are we headed? How is pricing going to trend? How is the infrastructure going to be like? And many more topics on day 2 of the ET Auto EV Conclave. Stay tuned, keep viewing, keep sharing through our hashtag, which is hashtag ETAutoEVC, and we'll see you with more details only from day 2 of ET Auto EV Conclave.